It's never possible for everyone to like you, to love you. Never. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. It's never possible for everyone to like you and love you. Never. Be real. Don't be a people pleaser. You know, there's a lot wrong with being liked or loved by everyone. You know, since childhood, parents, teachers, elders, and many others have told you that if you know, do a certain thing and behave in a certain way, walk, talk, laugh, cry, don't laugh, and or yeah, or especially in Iran, oh my God, or dress the way we want you to, then we love you. Yeah. You know, you are not supposed to be a pleaser. Who is a people pleaser? You don't know? Yes, you are. Someone who will do anything to please others and their opinions. So then you are not yourself. You are a slave. Yes, you know, the behavior and opinions of others from those closest to you, like family, best friends, partner, you know, to you, to people who don't even know you. You want to please those people? You're destroying yourself. You know, I want to tell you something. No matter how much you sacrifice, you try to please everyone, sacrifice yourself, hurt yourself, there will still be people who don't like you, don't love you at all. That's 100% true. And there, you cannot do anything about it. You can't do anything about it. And that's true. You know, even if you love yourself, you honor yourself, adore yourself, living your life, your own life, going your own way, they still won't like you or love you. And that's also true. So what you want to do? It's never possible for everyone to love you or like you. So live your life. Live your life and enjoy. Okay? That's it. Dear Unique, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with someone who need to listen and watch this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for being here, and thanks for supporting me. Uh, Always remember, there is only one you, and you cannot take someone else's place. And also, no one can take your place. Okay? So, yeah, love you. Bye.